guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my everyday eyebrows. Well, I don't do my eyebrows every day, but when I'm going out, I'm going to outline my eyebrows with this dark brown pencil. Then I'm going to go on top, outline the tail. Guillotine. Go over to the other side. Then I'm going to use the lighter part of the pencil and fill in this portion of my eyebrows. Then I'm going to use the spoolie and yeah, just do it like this. Like, everybody have their own way of doing their eyebrows. This is how I do mine. Alright, so now I'm going to use some concealer. Use LA Girl concealer. 2 different shade concealer on the back of my hand. I am going to use the lighter shade underneath the eyebrows. So I always start out by the end